Shut it off. Oh, I'm live. Oh my gosh. Hi everyone. This is Marjorie Dick Stuart. Thanks for joining me today, Tuesday at 2. It's a little dark. My face has, what are those things from the mask? I've been snorkeling, found a key in the water. But really I'm here to talk to you about a situation if you are a seller. If you're a seller and you have your house on the market and it didn't sell right away and you got an offer and you went back and forth a little bit and then all of a sudden your negotiations stopped, what the heck do you do? The seller doesn't want to go back to the buyer and say, hey, and the buyer doesn't want to go back to the seller and say anything. I'm going to say this. If your house hasn't sold, you had that one offer, maybe you're sorry that it didn't work out and somebody stopped the ball from bouncing back and forth. Go for a price change. Do a little price change. It's going to do two things for you. One is it's going to expose you to the market and get some people excited, while at the same time that buyer who really wanted the house but was afraid to come back because the ball wasn't in their court is going to see that price change. It's going to give them an opportunity that you've opened the door for them to come back and now buy your house. The good thing for you about that is this buyer is now going to be a little bit more nervous and maybe have some urgency to give you more because now the word's out that the price has been reduced. So if you're a seller and your ball has stopped bouncing back and forth and you don't have somebody that can help you figure it out, you can call me. I'll be back from Bon Air in a couple of days. Marjorie Dick Stuart, 240-731-8079. Thanks for watching Tuesday at 2, and I'll see you next week. Tell your friends.